This video I will show you how to fix messenger filter not working and what you need to know. So messenger filters are not working. Basically depends upon the speed of your internet. If your internet is good, then they will work very fine, or sometimes there may be a problem with the app itself. So first of all, we will open up the messenger application and then open up the camera here. So these are different filters. Okay, here you can see that these are working fine here. Okay, if I just open up this one here, so if for some reasons your like messenger filters are not working like this, the first step is to update your messenger application. Okay, just go to the play store or app store and update your messenger application. And the second thing is you need to open up the apps and notification or apps option in Android phone. It is available in any Android phone. And then you need to open up the messenger application, and from here you just need to actually like clear the storage and clear the cache memory of your messenger application. And if the problem is still there, you can just like delete your messenger application and try to reinstall it from Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and it should fix the problem. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.